Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. Today we'll be taking 5 or 6 trades. I will try to have my best possible trades for this session. I was looking to take this buy right here, but I doubted myself, and now it's playing out. This is a third touch breakout, first touch, second touch, third touch is breaking it. But since we have, okay, I'm taking right now, finally gave us the entry. I hope we don't lose this. Yeah, it's a third touch breakout. The reason why I doubted taking this because we have minor downtrend is if you look at the past, you see a momentum retracement, and then again that was a winning trade. That was close, but it was a winning trade, and it was a major uptrend, minor downtrend, and yeah, we had third touch breakout. So basically, if you have a support area which has first touch, which has second touch, and after second touch it creates a higher high compared to previous high, next time price breaking this support area, it will be called third touch breakout. And of course, you have to have other reasons to combine with this. For example, having this pattern, which is engulfing pattern, which in some cases it needs retracement. We can combine it with that one. Sometimes we have gap up or gap down, which is also a good combination for taking trades. When it comes to binary option, we cannot rely on one simple setup. We have to have a combination of setups to optimize the winning ratio and higher chance to win our trades. All right, let me see. Okay, this is a red green pattern, but it seems that I don't have any other reasons to add on this trade, so I'm not going to take any trade on this one. I'll keep looking. All right, we have an order block down here where we have a strong momentum coming down, not that strong, but when we have consecutive red candles, it's so risky to go against them unless we have some crazy setup. So now, previously we had a resistance like this, which kept the price for a long time. And then this resistance is broken. So we have a decision point right here, which already reacted. See, this price already reacted from the decision point, and now we have this order block down here. So before that, I want to show you, I haven't checked this, so I want to check this together, and I show you a decision point setup. See, this is the decision point. If I go to lower time frame in this area, I will see a fresh demand area. Okay, see this? This is called demand area. It looks like an engulf. It's basically an engulf, but it's in lower time frame, and we call it demand area. This is the demand area, and it's right before the breakout of a strong support area. If I draw this, you'll see the reaction from this zone. Once the price enters this zone, we take the trade, and it closes above. So this is the decision point setup we have missed. We have same for buyers here. Look at this. Same for buyers, decision point. See, decision point, and then see decision point somewhere here. You see the rejection. After the breakout happens, price rejects and drops. So we have for the buyers and also for the sellers on this particular chart. We have also this QM. It looks beautiful. See, QM pattern. If you don't know what QM is, I suggest everybody to watch this video. It's going to pop up on the screen and you can watch it from here. Yeah, so this is a QM up here. And we have this pattern in the chart. This is the QM zone. Then we check the higher time frame, 3-minute time frame or 5-minute time frame, and we see the engulf in the higher time frame. So that's the higher time frame confirmation. Go to lower time frame, and we find the entry above the QM zone. This setup, usually if you have full confirmations, usually have 70% winning ratio. This is the entry for this QM setup up there. Okay, just like that. And important point, yeah, after marking the entry point, we have to go to a higher time frame again and see if the zone is inside the engulf or it's above. If this is above the zone, above the engulfing pattern, above here, it's unsafe, or it should taken with much smaller amounts, right? This is very important. So many people don't even check this. All right, that's about the QM. I will keep looking. This is a doji break. I missed it has gap down confirmation. I just missed a lot of trades, and this is just part of my life to miss a lot of good trades. Another decision point. Okay, I'm gonna take this. Come on down. Oh my god, my entries is always bad, man. My entries are terrible, and I can't fix it. It's crazy. Yeah, so here, it's obvious. I want to do some markups for you. See, this is how you have to approach market. Mark the zones, mark all the levels that has a lot of rejections. So basically, this is a way you can practice. Look at this support area. See a lot of rejections. There's a reason behind all these rejections. So mark the rejections, mark the support areas. Okay. So now, look at this. Respective support area, it's broken here, right? Next time price coming here, it will react. So look for sell setups right here. Again, support area, see? It's broken like crazy. Look for sell setups when the market comes back to the decision point. This is the decision point, right? So look for the setups right here. I will show you. And also, look at this. Third touch breakout happening here. This was takeable. We have a round number here as a confirmation. Now, let's just check this. I want to check if we have a lower time frame entry inside this supply zone. Let's go. I can already see that. Yeah, there we go. This is a lower time frame entry for this decision point. See? We have same thing for this one. But I believe the entry for this one is up here. Have to look for the decision point. Now, I will keep looking for another opportunity. All right. All right, I'm going to go for 5-second confirmation for this one. Okay, we have a demand here. As soon as I see the 5-second confirm. Okay, yeah. Okay, I go with the bars right now. My entry is terrible on this one. Yep. No, the entry is beautiful. It's basically combined with this common point of rejection, 5-second confirmation, also gap down as a confirmation. So we have this demand area. The entry is right down inside the demand. So this is a good trade, I would say. And yeah, about the gaps, if you don't know, you can watch this video on the screen. Because I see a lot of people ask some common questions about gaps, about QMs, about the setups that I've mentioned 100 times. I suggest you to go to the videos they are free, okay? It's just going to pop up in the screen and go and watch them. There's a lot of positive point about those concepts. So I'm just going to stop right here. I hope you enjoyed. Do not forget to join the Telegram channel. I do not sell signals or copy trading. The trading competition will be on 26th June this month. It's probably 20 days later. And if you're interested, just join the preparation channel in the description. I hope you enjoyed, and peace out.